Lending remains one of banking's most significant revenue drivers, but many institutions rely on disjointed systems that drain precious time and potential opportunities.
We had processes outside of the system. We had a lot of communication that was happening via email. We had documents saved in many different places.
For us, we calculated before Hawthorn River, and some of the data was being entered up to 5 times.
But it could be just once. As a single end-to-end system, Hawthorn River Loan Origination modernizes your approach to commercial, consumer, and mortgage loans.
We were doing things, in 4 different places, where now we're able to do it in one, and we're going to pick up even more efficiencies because as we book loans, they'll automatically flow to the core from Hawthorn River.
It just checked almost every box for us in the loan world. It was the things we were really struggling with. It was the answer to most every one of those solutions.
Time-saving features include automation, credit risk management, workflows, real-time alerts, and compliance tracking.
So now they can do multiple loans, or they can work on other stuff throughout the day.
So as the process can go more efficiently and smoothly, we have full visibility within the system for the people that are in the system, from the relationship managers that may be talking to the client, all the way through the application process, into the credit approval process, into the pre-doc review to make sure everything is there, and then into documentation, into funding.
Everything is right there. So from the lender, from the processor to the credit analyst, across the board, compliance, audit, everybody can go to the same place, look at the same thing, which for us has created more consistency, more efficiency, much better data integrity because you're only entering things really one time.
There's a client portal that we can start with a consumer loan application. We can send a link to a client. They fill out the they log into the portal, set up their account. They can fill out the application. They can upload documents securely directly to the portal.
And so if there's a good experience for them when they're starting to fill out the application, the likelihood of seeing it through is greater.
And then just the interaction between Hawthorn River and TruStage from the documentation perspective. Our organization in the past has somewhat over-engineered some of our loan documentation, and it took a while to get buy-in and trust with the TruStage document, but our team is really now totally on board, and the process of moving from Hawthorn into documentation has been very clean.
Altogether, Hawthorn River Loan Origination System has community banks' interests at heart, no matter their core provider.
We've never felt alone. I think the number one thing for us is the customization. We, as a smaller bank that's growing, we still want to be very customizable to our customers and in our product offering, and it has allowed us to do that. You don't really have to fit in the box.
And that's the nice thing is Hawthorn River fits the little bank and it fits the bigger bank, so it's a good tool and a good product to have for your bank.
I highly recommend, strong consideration.
We couldn't find anything else like it out there. There were pieces of it, but nothing that was everything in one place. So we were very excited to see that CSI had decided to make the investment into this great product.